Welcome, dear creatives. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make this fascinator that is showing on your screen right now. It is easy peasy. Just follow my lead. So I have my felt cap and then I have this lace material. You can see that I folded it into two equal halves, right? Now I'm going to give about 2 inches round and I'm going to cut it round. Okay, so just keep watching and learning. Remember to practicalize. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to use my lace to cover up the top part of my felt cap, and I'll also cover the inside, but I'll cover the top first and sew it round. Take it to my machine, sew it round. So I repeated the same thing at the under the inside. I'm sorry, I thought my video, I didn't know it didn't capture that part, the covering of the inside, but what I just did was to also sew the inside with my lace. Now I'll be using this crinoline to embellish this my fascinator. So the size of my crinoline is 74 inches, right? And this is the medium sized crinoline, it's not a big size. So, and then you take out this measurement and follow my lead. Just watch how I'm going to achieve this embellishment. So if you're enjoying this video so far, please give me the thumbs up, like this video, comment, share, ask your questions. I'll do my best to answer. Okay. Um, the next thing I'm going to do is to start stitching my crinoline round the base of my fascinator. Just watch closely. I'll use my needle and thread and start stitching. I'll do neat stitches round. Okay, you can see that I placed it inside. Watch carefully. I placed it inside and then I'm going to sew it round until I get to the end. So please watch closely. Watch how I'm going to start the proper embellishment of my fascinator using the crinoline. Watch how I'm going to fold this in, right? And then I'm going to take another fold, as you can see. And then I'm going to use my pin to pin it down because I would still have to stitch those parts, okay? And then I'm making another fold. This part is very important for you to get the whole design properly. So you can see how I'm folding and then using my pin to pin down, so that it will be easy for me to stitch or tack later. So now I'll make another fold and then I'll use my pin to pin it down. Okay, so keep watching and learning. Remember to practicalize. Please, if you want to get this design well, then you must not skip this part. No forwarding. Okay, keep watching and learning. Remember to practicalize. I would love to see your fascinator. When you make yours, you can reach me through the number that is showing on your screen. You can chat me up, okay? Okay, so now that I'm done stitching round, I'm going to make this kind of fold. Watch how I'm folding it, right? It's more like bigger folds. It's bigger than what we did the other time. So see the design it is forming, or the design the crinoline is giving me as I fold, right? So I'll make this fold, just watch, watch, and watch. Remember to practicalize. Now I'm going to use my needle and my thread to stitch that place. Can you see that particular end? I'm not stitching the whole place that I rolled, though. Just that particular spot. That's where I'm going to tack down. Okay, so keep watching and learning. Remember to practicalize. So when I'm done attaching the feather, I'll attach this rose. Okay, you can see where I'm attaching the rose, right? Now I'm going to stitch this rose. I'll stitch round. I'll sew it round so that it will be firm. If you have been following my videos, you would know that I love stitching my fascinator. I love durable fascinators. I keep saying this, stitch, stitch, stitch. I only glue where I know that, okay, no, I cannot stitch this place, right? Okay, so learn to stitch. Be like Viforma Minds, right? Now, if this is your first time of stopping by, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss out on my weekly DIY videos, which I drop every Wednesday by 3 p.m. And then for returning subscribers, I want to say thank you for coming back. Do well to ask your questions, and then I'll try my best to answer them. Do well to like, share, comment. All right. I would love to see your work. Contact me through the number showing on your screen. And if you would love to be part of my 2 weeks intensive training, also let me know. Okay, so now I'm going to keep stitching until my rose is very firm on my fascinator, right? You see, I'm going to stitch round. Then the next thing I'll do is to attach my Alice band. Okay, I would stitch my Alice band, of course. You know, some people use glue to do all of these things, and using glue is faster, but it will not be durable. What do you want? You want your client, or you want to wear your fascinator and then it falls off, or it doesn't come out well, it has some glue stains, or it does not last? Which one do you prefer? Durable fascinators over non-durable fascinators any day, right? So I'm going to keep stitching this onto my fascinator. I'll keep stitching my Alice band onto my fascinator until it is firm enough. So the next thing is to cover up the stitched part on my Alice band, and that will be all.